Welcome. If you want to change default application in your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now, let's go for the apps. It will be right here. Tap on the right upper corner to enter the default apps. And here we can, for example, change the browser application. So let's click here and we can select one of the following app. There's Google Chrome and the Opera Mini. So just pick your favorite, and I think that I'm going for the Opera. So select, and right now your default app for the browser has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.